Today I am going to make an Arduino project using LEDs. To make this project we will need an Arduino board and a mini breadboard, some jumper wires and level LEDs and Arduino data cable to transfer the code. Connect the data cable to the phone and open Arduino Drive app. I have already copied the code. I will paste it now. The compression is finished. Upload the code to the Arduino board. The code is completely uploaded to the Arduino board. Now disconnect the board from the mobile. Now connect a jumper wire to the breadboard to the minus point, ground point, and take an LED. In this LED there is 2 points. This one is minus point, this one is plus point. Connect minus point to the ground and plus point to the another pin. Connect all LEDs from the same. Now I connected all LEDs in the connection. Now take the jumper wires and connect this to the Arduino board. First LED positive is connected to the pin number of Arduino number 13. And second LED is positive is connected to the pin number of Arduino number 11. And LED 3 is connected to the pin number of 10. And fourth LED is connected to the pin number 9. Fifth LED is connected to the pin number 8. Sixth LED is connected to the pin number 7. And seventh LED is connected to the pin number 6. Eighth LED is connected to the pin number 5. ninth LED is connected to the pin number 4. 10th LED is connected to pin number 3, and 11th LED is been connected to pin number 2, and connect the ground pin to the ground pin of the Arduino. Now the project is completed. Let's test it. Now connect the power supply to the Arduino. See, the LEDs are blinking. The project is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.